Hey guys, Allie here. I have spent the last couple hours cleaning out my car because busy mama of three needs to clean the car. I got this product to review though, and it is car seat covers. So it's got a back cover for the back seat, and then it's got two front seat covers so that all the seats in the car can finally be covered and are going to be durable to get all of the messes cleaned up in the car. Let's open up the box. So inside the box, there's a really great user's manual. It's gonna tell you exactly how to install it, but it's also gonna show you pictures so that you have no issues installing these. So first look of it, I really like the honeycomb here. It's gonna provide a really breathable, comfortable seat so that the kids aren't gonna be bothered and the passenger and I will not be bothered. And it's great for the Florida heat because it's gonna provide nice and cool seats and it's not gonna burn your thighs or anything like that. It also comes with the headrest covers, which is really great, and the elastic on them is going to provide easy installation. So one thing I noticed also, it's got these really great holes here so that the seat belts can fit right through there and there won't be any issues with that. These are airbag compatible, so if the airbag does deploy, these will automatically be fine. All right, so let's go put them in the car. So the first one I'm going to start with is the back seat. And as you can see, it matches the interior of my car perfect, but one great thing is there's lots of different colors, so you can match it to whichever one you prefer. The holes here, it allows you to pull the seatbelt right through there. Another great feature is it's got zippers here. So all you're gonna do is unzip it. You're gonna bring your seatbelt forward and then you're just gonna zip it back up. Now this has a clip, and so this is gonna go right behind the headrest and clip it. Now the bottom part here, as you can see, it has some straps here on it to strap it down. So this is just gonna go over the car seat and lay really nicely. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So this is absolutely perfect back here because having the three kids in the back seat, if we have food, drinks, spillage, anything like that, this machine washable, get it right back on. The seats aren't damaged, the floors aren't damaged, we're doing great. All right guys, so now we are gonna do the front seats. So these are really easy as well. So as you can see on the back here, there's a hole here. So that's what you're gonna feed your headrest through. And then this is gonna be on the back of it. And then as you can see, you can undo these, and this is gonna be the seat. So it's got a nice opening here. So you're just gonna feed your seatbelt right through here. You are going to connect these little straps. They're on both sides. The elastic straps are gonna go underneath the back of the seat. You're just gonna hook them together and they're gonna go underneath the seat. And as you can see here, it is pulled all the way down. It looks great and it matches the interior of my car awesome. Now, as you can see, the seatbelt is still able to come out. You can strap it in and these are securely in place. They're not going anywhere. So you can slide in and out of the car comfortably. All right guys, so let's get the driver's side seat in. So I'm gonna undo my elastic here and I am going to feed this through the headrest. Ensure that your two straps are out so they can wrap around the back. Now in the back of this, there's a little foam piece here. This is gonna go into the crease. It's gonna hold the car seat cover in place. Now this is what's gonna feed back to the back seat. So you're gonna take the two elastic straps and put them together and it just fits right underneath the seat. And then while you're back here, you can just go ahead and adjust this so that you have full coverage back here as well, especially for those little feet that kick nonstop. Now, as you guys can see, we have full coverage here. I can still feel the buttons, no problem, but they're not exposed to get grime and dirt and everything else on them. These are gonna protect even from the job site to daycare to whatever you have going on in your life. Okay guys, so for the headrest, this is really easy. It's literally just gonna slide right over your headrest. You can bring the headrest up to tuck it in a little bit and then just bring it down. And as you can see, it looks great. They're covered and they are ready to go. I definitely recommend this product and it was really easy to install, especially for a non-car girl like me. So if I can do it, you can do it. Check it out.